This is gonna be a real quick review of these Forever Glides that I put on our chairs 2 weeks ago. We've had 3 pool parties and our family has spent quite a bit of time out here and they have held up wonderfully. So first thing I want you to notice is after 2 weeks, the foam has squished and now it fits really nice. It was showing a little bit more white, which I didn't really like, but it was okay. But now after you sit on them for a while, it does sink in, which is actually a great thing. Another thing I want you to see is on some of our feet, like there wasn't a whole lot there holding it on. And it's supposed to have that lip that comes over and stays all the way around so that the Forever Glide will stay on. This one, for instance, is missing like 2/3 of it. And yet, it hasn't been an issue one bit. In fact, I'll just show you here. So like when it moves around, it doesn't catch. It's good. And this is not smooth concrete. This is aggregate. So there's exposed shell and pebbles and that sort of thing. So yeah, this has been really great. We're really happy with the Forever Glides. In fact, we stuck them on these over here as well. You can see the full review on another video, but these guys have held up really good as well. So really happy. If you're looking to give your chair some new life, I would look into the Forever Glides.